Good morning mga kababayan, mga followers, lahat ng ating mga OFW dyan. Happy New Year. Lahat po ng ating minamahal na followers, mga subscriber. Again, Happy New Year. Just wanna greet you guys Happy New Year and give you a little bit update. Kung anong update kasi end of the year na, di ba? Sa ganun makikita natin kung anong nangyari sa 2024. Update lang. Sandali po. Tignan natin si Mamang, ha? Okay, sandali po. Ayan, kaya nagpack na siya, uuwi daw. Sabi kaya daw niya. Sabi ko, 94 years old, kakayanin mo. Sandali lang, ha? Yan pa yung aso ng aking kapatid, si Pluro. Ako'y nagbabantay. Work at home ako ngayon, end of the year. Ang dami po naming trabaho. We are working. Oy, no. You stay there. Tinakbuhan ako kanina, 30 minutes kong hinahabol. Diyos ko, madaling araw pa naman. At tapos ang lamig-lamig sa labas. Okay, Bugbog. Yan na po yung aking update sa aking mga alaga. Si Princess. Hello, Princess. Happy New Year. Princess, where you going? Si Princess po. Busy ko. Hindi ko pa na-unpack yung mga luggage ko. Kasi ang dami naming hinahabol na reports. Yan po, busy. Mamang, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Lahat ng mga fans mo dyan.
To all of you.
Anong update kay Mamang? Mamang is 94 years old.
Yeah.
Anong?
I'm healthy, strong and healthy. Good health, strong and healthy.
Ayan. Anong wish mo for 2025?
Ang wish ko, always healthy. Yeah.
Ano pa?
Always healthy and I hope I have always money.
Oh my God, always have money. Tignan mo yung mga pagkain ni Mamang, inakyat sa kama niya. Ay, my goodness, tsokolate.
Chocolate,
Ano yan,
honey-made.
Mamang? Bakit ang dami mong pagkain?
Honey-made.
Meron pa siyang doon, pangpalaman. Mamang, linalagay mo sa refrigerator yan, masisira.
Yeah, oo.
May kanin pa. Dito siya nagbre-breakfast.
Tilapia.
Philadelphia.
Philadelphia.
Yan po.
And I don't know the name of this.
That's Madeline. Ganyan po nanay ko. Inaakyat niya namin tapos maghapon na yan snack niya.
What's this? Honey-made. Honey-made cookie.
Sige, Mamang, say hello and we love you, kamo.
I love you. I love you, all of you. And
thank you for your prayers.
And I hope we can see each other with good health, strong body, and healthy.
Apo, tignan niyo po yung insure ni Mamang. Ayan po. Ayan,
Insure.
Kahit anong linis dito sa alam niyo naman ng mga matatanda, nag-go hoarding. Kaya hindi ko na pinapansin. Di ba, Mang?
Insure.
Okay. Thank you, Mother.
Okay, thank you. Thank you also.
Ayan po. Gusto daw ni Mamang umuwi. Ayan, nakabox na siya. Tatawa naman kami ng mga kapatid ko. Kasi noon nasa Pilipinas pala ako, nagpapak na siya kasi uuwi daw. Hindi kasi nakasama kasi busy po ako. Sabi naman namin, Mang, huwag ka muna nga uwi kasi sabay-sabay na lang tayo. Ayan po. Again, Happy New Year to all of you. Thank you for your prayers. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for everything. I know you care for us. You care for our team, Pugong Biyahero team. And we appreciate talaga namin. Lahat-lahat po kayo. Salamat. Sana we will see each other 2025. It will be a better year, I hope. I know it's been a while. Pasensya na po, hindi ako nakapag-update. Nung dumating po ako, nagkasakit ako talaga. Natrangkaso po ako ng 3 araw. Hindi ako makagalaw, hindi ako pumasok. Kaya hindi pa ako nagka-unpack. Sa busy po namin sa trabaho, ang dami po naming, pangalan yun, due date. We have a day and a half to finish everything. Princess, stay here. Princess, come. And, ano pong update sa 4 na Maria sa Abra? Yun po, wala silang pasok, hindi sila magbakasyon kasi ang dami ko pong gastos. Nakita nyo naman kung ang dami kong gastos po, nagpapagawa po kami ng building for the call center. Yun po ang aking update. Nagpapagawa po kami ng building. Maraming gastos yun, kaya sabi ko sa kanila, tulutulungan nila muna ako, hindi sila makakauwi, hindi sila makakabakasyon. Tungkol naman kay Badiday, alam ko may nagtatanong tungkol sa bakit daw yung mga pamilya niya, tsaka yung asawa, hindi pumunta ngayong Christmas. Ay, yung aso naman ay sos, no, bugbog, no, stop. You need to stop. Please, okay? Stop, no? No crying, please. You run away. Tapos, bakit po hindi pinagpili ko po si Badiday. Alam ko meron si Nanette Indigo ata is the last name. Salamat po Nanette. Na yung 300 niya nasa akin pa rin. Nag-email po ako sa kanya kung anong gagawin ko. Sabi niya, use it for her study. Kaya papadala ko po itong January para sa ganun pang tuition fee niya. Yun na lang. At salamat ha Nanette ha. Thank you very very much from the bottom of my heart. Talagang I appreciate you very very much for helping. Okay? Tapos, yun po, kasi busy din si Badiday po, magpa-finals pa, hindi pa siya tapos sa schooling. Okay, tapos po, yung tungkol naman sa mga anak ko, they're well, doing very well. Ashley was just here for Christmas, kaya lang New Year's po umuwi na. Ano pang update kay Sir June? Salamat sa pagtulong-tulong mo sa mga mahihirap dyan sa Abra. I'm always behind you. Thank you sa lahat ng subscriber niya kay Maestro. Subscribe Maestro June Vlog. Salamat po, Miss Maestro June. Thank you so much. Tapos po, alam ko ang dami nating tinutulungan, ang dami nating college. Hopefully, may natatapos na yung anak ni Unyok po, natapos ng engineer. Ayan po, gusto ko lang basahin sa isa sa mga scholar natin na nakatapos. Sabi niya, Dear Tita Pibilab, thank you so much po sa binigyan niyo po ako ng chance makapag-aral ng professional education. Licensed professional teacher na po ako since September 2024 taker. I will be forever grateful sa inyo ni Dr. Smith. Wala pong pinagsidlan ng aking pasasalamat. Respectfully yours, Julie Azorias. Congratulations, Julie. Tignan po natin. Nakapasa na po siya. She's one of our scholar. Ayan po. Julie Candelaria Azorias. Again, sa pag-aral mo mabuti, kahit kasandali lang kita natulungan. I've been very pressed of financial right now. Ang dami po namin gastos. But salamat. Congratulations again, Julie Azorias. That's one of our scholar. Tingnan nyo po, nakita nyo naman, na-meet nyo na si engineer. Mag-i-engineer pa lang kasi nagre-review. Okay, natapos na siya. Ito is one of our SED scholar. Ayan, natapos na again. Congratulations, Julie. I hope you will find a job. If not, let me know and see what we could do. Okay? Email me lang. Ayan ang mga sinasabi natin na natutulungan. Salamat sa Diyos at nakapagtapos na rin siya. Okay? Sa mandami po natin natutulungan, kahit hindi po na vlog, they are there, kaya ang dami po nating gastos. Alam ko po, maraming nagme-message, maraming nag-i-email, kailangan ng tulong. As of now, talagang press po kami ng financial. Ang dami po naming gastos. And now, I'm building a new building. Hopefully, by next year is much better. Sana naman. Okay, so, another update po, kay yung mga maglulo na ginagawa ni Sir June, that's one of our project also, Maestro June. Sa panuorin nyo po, yung maglulo po, Julian, I think is the name. Hindi ko alam yung si tatay. Tapos si Lula Maria, naalala nyo po yung kanyang ni Pugong Biyahero, yung si Nanay Yuga. Yuga, I think. Yan po project namin noon ni Paul din. So hopefully this one, project namin ni Maestro John. Salamat sa mga lahat ng tumutulong kay Lola Maria. I do really appreciate you. Alam niyo po, sa kadami-dami kong natutulungan, hindi ko po nakikita kung sino pang may kailangan kasi it's a very, very pressing year for us. Anong balita kina Erna at Marjorie? They are honor student. Number 2 po si Marjorie. Matataas ang kanyang grade. Tapos number 3 si Erna. Okay, number 1 nila yung lalaki. Hindi nila tapos, tungkol naman kay Rona, salamat sa anonymous na sponsor niya sa Tracy. Thank you po. Salamat. You know who you are. Napakataas po ang grade yun po ang scholar ni Maestro John. Napakataas po ang kanyang grade. All 90s. She have a chance to be a scholar, financial scholar sa mga university yan. Anyway po, kay Pugong Biyahero, I know we had a great time. I do appreciate you being with me nung nasa Pilipinas ako. You know, we spent time with Madam Yula, Peter Paul. I know maraming nagtatanong bakit si Mang Eli. Si Mang Eli po busy sa salon niya. Bakit si si Peking Bombay wala? Si Peking Bombay at that time po busy sa umani daw nila sa farming nila. Kaya hindi naman sa ayaw silang kasama. Kaya lang, you know, people have an engagement. Okay? Bakit yung pang ating mga update? Oh my goodness, ang dami-dami sa kadami-dami po. Again, pasensya na po kayo kung hindi ako nakakatulong financially. I'm very proud of my call center. My call center is doing very very well. Hopefully, we can get more accounts para makatulong tayo. And then that will be going to Laguna branch, okay? Hopefully, our plan is the next week or 2, we'll go to Laguna branch. Kasi meron na pong building si Paul. Okay? Ano pa ang ating mga update? We're doing fine. My daughter is doing very well. Nagmamasteral po siya. He's actually working soon. May offer na siyang trabaho. Kaya, thank you Lord for the blessing. Kay Kuya Tutoy naman, sina Madam Ethel, sina Ma'am Belen, salamat sa inyo sa pag-aruga, pagtulong nyo sa akin. Si Madam Babit, okay? Tinutulungan nyo ako sa mga 4 na Marias sa Abra. Sa 4 na Marias, thank you for being patient with me. Sila? They're doing very well. Lahat po sila, they're doing very well. I'm hoping that our relationship may get better. Alam nyo naman, parang nanay, kung minsan meron, pinapagalitan kasi pasaway, ganyan-ganyan. Kaya lang, we love them. We truly do. Lahat ng kanilang kailangan, provided po. Si Badiday po ang pag-aaral niya, napakamahal. Alam niya yan. Kaya sabi ko sa Marjorie at saka Irene, walang uwian po itong summer. They need to help me with the expense of Badiday. Napakataas po ng tuition niya. It's running almost 100,000 ang expense niya sa school for a year. Plus allowance pa. May allowance pa sila. Okay? Tsaka yung mga pagkain, lahat-lahat ng gastos is covered. Yung allowance nila is for their personal use, kung anong kailangan nila. Okay? Ma'am Elizabeth, thank you. Alam kong pupunta ka sa amin. Thank you for visiting them. I do appreciate you. Okay, Ma'am Elizabeth, thank you again for sending them packages. Thank you for loving them. Thank you for taking care of them. I hope you will enjoy your stay with them for a day. I know you're only going there for a day. You're always welcome to stay sa amin just to visit them. But I know they're very busy also kasi babalik na sila ng school. Again, salamat Ma'am Elizabeth. Kay Ma'am Lou, yung tumutulong sa pamilya ni Irene, thank you again. Thank you for being there for Irene. Thank you for helping her family. Ma'am Lu, kumusta ka na dyan? Happy New Year coming up. Kay Ma'am Lenny, dyan sa Fairfield, then thank you for always there for watching and supporting Pugong Biyahero team. Okay? Hello, Ma'am Judy Baltasar. Lahat po ng sina Sonia Lopez, thank you. Happy New Year. Shout out sa inyo lahat. Alam ko marami po dyan. Napakarami ninyo. Sina Eliza Udarbe, thank you sa mga twins na tinutulungan natin. I'm sorry I didn't have a chance to send them Christmas but I will. the end of this week. Okay, pasensya na Ma'am Elisa Odarbe, meron po tayong 2 tumutulong lang naman, hindi naman full time. Paminsan-minsan po nagpapadala po ako sa 2 twins. Napaka nila, sipag nilang mag-aral. I don't know them, I never met them, but again, they're always there, and the twins are doing very well. I think they're twins, right Ma'am Elisa Odarbe? I don't know if they're twins. I think they are twins. Okay. Tignan natin po yung kanyang email. Ayan po. Si Ma'am Eliza. Ayan. Hello po Ma'am. Mamang, magandang gabi po. Taos-puso po ako nagpapasalamat sa tungo ng aking paghingi ng tulong sa inyo. Again, I operate the thing, but I do appreciate when you will email me and say thank you very much. Alam ko marami po kayong humihingi, hindi ko po masasabi lahat, hindi ko po natutulungan lahat. It's been a very, very hard time. Alam ko balak ko pong mag-retire next year. I'm, coming up with my age of retirement here at the state. That means my financial is very constrict, okay? Kasi kawawa naman yung asawa ko. I'm helping my husband work. Happy New Year to all of you. Lahat po. Paul, I love you. I do really appreciate you helping people, being with me. Kahit anong maitulong natin, salamat. Nag-usap na tayo dyan. Madam Yula, Happy New Year. Kasama si Mami dyan. Peter Paul, say hi to your son. Congratulations. Napakagaling pala niya sa school. Thank you. Peking Bombay, Mang Eli, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas to you. I know, belated, hindi ko malang nag-greet. Again, si Kupars at Mang Wansyo, thank you again, Merry Christmas, belated, and Happy New Year. Say hi to your mom and dad and the rest of your family. Ma'am Neda, lahat po kayo, si Mami ni Pagong Biyahero, mahal ko kayo lahat. I do really appreciate everybody. Thank you again for the rest of our viewers, followers, and all my agent at the call center. Thank you for being with me. I love you all. Dr. Smith and I love you and the rest of my family. Say hi and Happy New Year. Good luck for 2025. I just want to update you. Hindi ko pa alam. Si Vince. Si Vince, bakit hindi ko scholar? No, Vince has money. We put it on a trust. Wini-withdraw po ni Maestro June every month. Okay, I think naglalabas siya ng 3,000 every month. But Vince has money. We make sure the money na gagamitin niya po sa kanyang operation dapat, ilinaan po namin for his school. Kaya niyan si Vince. Si Romnick po, we're just been planning and see what is best for that bata. Salamat again sa inyong lahat. I love you all. Take care.